On SuperRayTube here, little name SuperRay, and today I'm going to be making a video, another one. And today I'm showing you a video of my Lego desk. It's got loads of stuff. Some stuff is my brother's, and got this big guy too. I'm just showing you him in a bit. First, let's just move on to this stuff. First, we have someone called Carnage, I believe. Yeah, Carnage. He's from the Ultimate Spider-Man, a bad guy. And this is Gurgle. He's a missile. Zoom in on that cute face. Sorry. And then here is Crate, Lego Ninjago, Season 4. Got some tattoos. You might recognize some of these guys from the Lego minifigures. And then the little screamer. It's from Lego Ninjago Series 6. Season 6. This is a Straw Spider, Darth Vader, and then all other Star Wars guys like C-3PO, Jango Fett, just zoom in on them, and Stormtrooper, Luke Skywalker, and Chewie. So a few of these things my brother got for his birthday, but let's just go around and do all that stuff. Okay, moving on to, we also have R2-D2, spinning head, and moving on to Lego City Adventure. It's Lego City. Just has a seaweed, and you might recognize that guy from something. If you know, leave it in the comment section down below. And then here is just a lot of Star Wars thing. Bit weird. And then Lego Nexo Knights. It's the Royal Guard. That's actually a bit new. I got it. And then here we have the just a Star Wars machine. It has a battle droid. It's actually called a commander droid, but same thing. And then here is, what's his name again? Oh yeah, here we have Wuzzo, Lego Missile Series 5, and I might make a video on that, and that, I'll see. And then he's from the Weldos, he's Chainsaw Nose, and let's go to Kai, Master of Fire. Has that awesome Jade Blade. Then he's the Master of Fire. I just said that. And he's pretty cool. Lego Ninjago Season 4. Whoever knows all these stuff, leave it in the comments. And then here we have Hulk from Lego Marvel Superheroes, Lego Avengers, Age of Ultron. Let's look at that mad face. Oh yeah, that's mad. And you might recognize this guy also from the Lego minifigures Part 2. And then here is a hot dog man. He's holding a hot dog. He has a hot dog costume, and this guy's also from my minifigure show. R2-D2. Lots of details. Can't show them all. Also very cool. This guy, I don't really know what he's called. I just call him RXQ. This is a chicken man. He's from Lego minifigures. And here's two Star Wars guys just hanging out. And then Kamzo. Series 5 Lego Mixels. The Clankers. Here's some Lego Kima. I don't really know what they are called. My brother got a few for his birthday, but I don't really know what he's called. It's too soon. Forget. Holding a bit of amber, I think that is, or just chi crystal. And then this, I made this like a few days ago. It's a weapon stand. It's got 3 legs to hold it up, and then 2 guns over there. 1 sword, a blade, and another gun. This is a zombie pirate minifigure. He's also pretty cool, but not as cool as I thought. Got a sword, and this guy also has a sword. It's from Star Wars. It's the Sith. And this is Ultron Prime. It's from Lego Avengers 2. Just like Hulk over here. And then this guy, which isn't supposed to be like that, I just made him like that. He's pretty cool. He's got 2 blasters and yeah, all that kind of stuff. Right, Irex? Yeah! And then we have that guy, Lego Kima. That guy, Lego Kima. Lego Star Wars, he has a cool gun, it's clone. And this guy has the powered sword. And then King Nitzel, it came with, whoa, this guy. This came with this. That came with that. Well, wait, that. And then we're moving on to another streamer, Lego Ninjago, Season 6. Very mad looking face. And then Collar, and this dragon. And then Donatello from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Whoever knows that, put it in the comments. And then here's Lego Nexonite. This is Chaos Catapult. Got a gun. Few other stuff. Tell me who recognized that from one time. And the Lego Stormer, I made a video of this too. And then onto the bit. Oh, and here's my Lego helicopter. Here is the Hulkbuster Smash. It's pretty cool. He came with Iron Man, which is somewhere over. Let's run. And you're probably wondering what this is. And I forget Iron Man, but he's somewhere right there. If you can see him. This is Tahu, Master of Fire. You might recognize this from one of my videos. I keep him here. Always. Oh, and I forgot this. This is from Lego Star Wars 2. And it's just a big drone. Spin around. Nanny. Okay, let's leave that. And then a few other toys. Captain America. Really squishy. Make his butt stick out. He can actually go somewhere. I'll just think about it. And here is finally the Adonis Rex. From Jurassic World. I got it a long time ago. 1 year ago from Christmas. And it even, so you know that's from Jurassic World. Here it says JW. And it can do a few stuff. It can roar. Come on, roar. It likes that And yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please leave a big fat thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Bye!